Hey guys, so today I have come up with another airdrop which is of LayerEdge, as you guys can see. So let's go to desktop screen and I will show you how to get this airdrop and everything. Okay guys, let's go. First here we have to connect our wallet. So I'm using MetaMask wallet. Let's go. Let me put my password. Then connect here. So it has been connected. Okay, so in you guys can see here time it's 12:28 p.m. So around morning 6 a.m. I started this airdrop mining. I run the node, as you guys can see here. Basically you guys have to do is just log in dashboard.layeredge.io and you need to sign up. So there is a website called airdrop LayerEdge info. Here you can see here this airdrops.io. You guys can come at this website, come here. Here it is written official LayerEdge dashboard. So connect EVM wallet. So I have connected my MetaMask wallet, as you guys can see here. Then on the screen it will ask for a code to run this. So you guys can use this code during registration. Then when you complete the verification process, come here, start the node. Like as you guys can see, if I press here stop, it will stop, but I don't want to stop, so yeah. And another thing is referrals. As you complete 50 plus hours uptime, okay, then you guys can refer, I guess, because when I type here please achieve at least 50 more. So in dashboard come, let it refresh. You guys can see here it says 6 hours. So like this, and it is simple airdrop and you guys can claim daily rewards. So I have claimed today's, and you guys can see here everything else. So yeah, you guys can see here I have minted this much amount, top ID have this much amounts and all. So yeah, it is for the video, and task and proofs haven't come in my account. If it comes, I will upload another video. I will be doing this airdrop and there is another airdrop also, which I will tell later in the video. And you guys can see website. Let's go. Here you can see everything if you guys want to see, and if you guys want to run testnet or anything, you guys see here if it's available or not. So yeah, here it is. Those who want to run and all, so yeah, they can. What's this, brother, what's this? Hmm. Oh my god, let's ignore this. This is our original. Let's refresh the page. Yeah, you guys can see here. Okay, and don't worry if it doesn't show, like just refresh and it will start to show. Okay guys, bye. It is for the video, and yeah, like, follow, subscribe, and it is the simplest airdrop I guess you can run, and I will upload few more videos. So yeah,